transitioning really dark hair from kind of orangey to pink. I really want to start the hair headed in the direction I want it to be. So with this, we used colorants, and I always lay down my lightest shade first. So with this, it was colorants, pastel rose, and a drop or two of 6KR with pure pigments in cool pink. Once that was processing, then I went in and dropped in just a little subtle shadow root. For this particular situation, since she's a natural level 4, I just went in with straight 5NA, and I just tapped that root in so that we have a little bit more longevity, wearability, a softer root grow out, because otherwise we'd have a much harsher line of demarcation as she wears this look. We processed that, full processing time, we rinsed it, and then we saturated her with Prepare from Illumin. So then we dried her, and we went in with Illumin PL Rose at 10 with just a mil or so of PK et al. Having some pure shade really helps with the longevity of the product. We processed that for the full processing time of 30 minutes, and then we rinsed, dried, and here you have our finished result. I was really happy with this, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.